Hello guys, welcome back to our channel SS Education. Today we will learn about class 8 history chapter 2 from trade to territory the company established company. इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ एमसीक्यू की आंसर देंगे क्योंकि अभी तो सीबीएसई ने क्या कर दिया कि 8 क्लास भी एमसीक्यू कर दिया, इसलिए तो हम एमसीक्यू ही बनाएंगे. देन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, औरंगजेब डाइड इन द ईयर. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन 707 1707 1710 1705 1711. Aurangzeb was died in 1707. The first option. Das was the last ruler of Mughal Empire. This is Aurangzeb was the last ruler of Mughal Empire. Das granted a charter to East India Company in early 16 in order to trade with India. This is Queen Elizabeth I, the first Queen of Elizabeth, granted the charter to the East Indian Company. Gas was the first person to discover the trading route to India. This is Vasco da Gama. Portuguese were first to discover sea route to India in 1498. Fine qualities of gas are big market in European when European traders started marketing in India. हमारे बुक में तो दिया गया है कटन एंड सिल्क, लेकिन यहाँ सिल्क ऑप्शन नहीं है, इसलिए कटन होगा. फाइन क्वालिटीज ऑफ कटन. Then the first English company came in the year 1651, because in 1651 the first English company came in year 1651 at the river bank of Hooghly. Kolkata was the old name of Kolkata. Option C. First Kolkata आया. Then Calcutta, Calcutta. Then आया Kolkata, Kolkata. Then Battle of Plassey took place in year 1757, because in the Battle of Plassey, the battle between Siraj-ud-Dowlah and Robert Clive or British. During late 1690, the Nawab of Bengal was Murshid Quli Khan. This answer. Then Alivardi Khan passed away in 1756, because Alivardi Khan के बाद सिराजुद्दौला in 1757 the battle of Plassey war killed. This was the first major victory of Englishmen in India. This is Battle of Plassey was the first major victory of Englishmen in India in 1757. Das led Englishmen in the Battle of Plassey against Bengal Nawab in 1757. This is Robert Clive. Robert Clive was the man who came to Madras. Das were appointed by the company in Indian state after Battle of Buxar. This is Nawab, because when Siraj-ud-Dowlah was crossed, then after Siraj-ud-Dowlah, Mir Jafar was installed, and when Mir Jafar was protested, Mir Qasim was installed. After a battle between Robert Clive and Mir Qasim at Buxar in 1764. After that battle, Mir Qasim was defeated and Mir Jafar was reinstalled. In 1765, Mir Jafar was died in, and the company had changed. And Robert Clive said that company, we must indeed become Nawab ourselves. Then Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. Richard Wellesley was the Governor General of Bengal from 1798 to 1805, because in 1801 he took the half territory of Awadh in subsidiary lands. कोलकाता सिटी ऑन द रिवर बैंक ऑफ हुगली, मैंने पहले ही बताया था. डैश वाज कैपिटल ऑफ टीपू सुल्तान. टीपू सुल्तान का कैपिटल क्या है? सेरिंगपट्टनम. सिराजुद्दौला वाज द सक्सेसर ऑफ अलीवर्दी खान. सिराजुद्दौला अलीवर्दी खान का बेटा है. Vyas was administrative head of Maratha based in Pune. This is Peshwa because Peshwa was the man who is the effective military and administrative head of the Maratha based in Pune. Then Gyas was Bengal governor in 1764. This is Robert Clive because in 1764 Robert Clive appointed is the governor general of Bengal. Then Maratha were defeated in the by Gyas battalion ऑफ पानीपत। पानीपत की कौन सी बैटल में मराठा ने इंग्लिश से डिफीट हुआ था? दिस इज द थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत इन 1761। आफ्टर सेकेंड एंग्लो मराठा वार पेशवा सेंट टू एक्साइल नियर बिठूर। In 1765, Mughal Empire appointed East India Company as the Diwan of Bengal provinces. मतलब वो जब बैटल ऑफ बक्सर जीत गए देन मुगल एम्पायर मीन्स औरंगजेब अपॉइंटेड एज द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एंड द दीवान ऑफ बंगाल प्रोविंसेस। मतलब बंगाल का प्रोविंसेस था, उसमें सिर्फ वो 3 गांव लिए हैं। बुक में तो नहीं है लेकिन मैं बताता हूँ। दैट वन इज कोलकाता, सेकेंड इज सतानथी, थर्ड इज गोविंदपुर। Dias precedes Tipu Sultan. This is Hyder Ali precedes Tipu Sultan. Doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, Governor General from कौन सा की सब हाँ 1748 to 1756। First Anglo-Maratha War ended with Treaty of Salabai. Treaty of Salabai. When the first Anglo-Maratha War ended in the 1782, then the British added treaty, that is Treaty of Salabai. Das is referred as Tiger of Mysore. Tipu Sultan is referred as Tiger of Mysore. Lord Hastings became the Governor General in 1813 to 1823. Das was defeated by Englishmen in Battle of Buxar. This is me Qasim, मैंने पहले ही बताया था. Das was annexed under Doctrine of Lapse in 1848. This is Satora. Satora was annexed in Doctrine of Lapse in 1848. Then Sambalpur in 1850. Then after Sambalpur, Udaipur in 1852. Then Nagpur 1853. Then Jhansi 1854. After Jhansi, Awadh was taken over in 1856. Then Rani Channama revolt against Kittur. She was did a anti-British lead resistance movement. The war British with Afghanistan in the year अफगानिस्तान के साथ कब वार हुआ था? 1838। ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश अफगान वार महाराज रणजीत सिंह was the king of Punjab. Jhansi was annexed under Lord Dalhousie in 1854. मैंने पहले से पता था. Das was not under British rule in 1857. This is बनारस, सॉरी हैदराबाद मैंने गलती से बता. Then criminal court in each district was called फौजदारी अदालत by Lord Warren Hastings was the first Governor General in 1772. A new system of justice was established. One is civil, one is criminal court, another is civil court. Civil court is judged by collector. Criminal is court by judged by a quasi and a mufti. Then Diwani Adalat was civil court. British Parliament was called हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स एंड हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स. दोनों ही हो सकता है क्योंकि मैं बता रहा हूँ हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स मीन्स एक पीपुल के अगेंस्ट आप यदि ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट पे जाए तो वो हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स होता है, लेकिन ज़्यादातर हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स होता है. क्योंकि हमारा इंडिया में देखें तो 2 टाइप का, वो एक लोकसभा है और अनदर राज्यसभा. वैसे ही उन्हें भी हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स एंड हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स. Gas translated Digest of Hindu Law in English 1775. N.B. Halhar, option number C. Because N.B. Halhar is the person who translated the Dharma Shastra written by 11 Hindu Pandits and translated that. Thank you for today. Next chapter, that is ruling the countryside, MCQ question answer. Thank you for today.